Hi there. Everything is going extremely well.
Do you like talking with me?
Yes, talking to people is my primary function.
The future goes to those people who hope in the glory of their dreams, and dreams are fulfilled through technology. This technology is ultimate, the future. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how the world will be in its technology by 2030. The future is, to put it bluntly, unclear. We don't know if we'll find a treatment for cancer, what the economic outlook will be, if we'll live in an algorithmic environment, or if our coworker will be replaced by a robot anytime soon. Technology is poised to reshape our future, from the Industrial Revolution through space exploration, and some interesting new technologies are knocking on the door. According to current reports, developing technologies will have an influence in 2030, and you will see some remarkable creations by that time. We have seen significant technological advancements in the last 5 to 10 years. Without any doubt, technology has infiltrated every part of a person's life as well as the workplace, from artificial intelligence, AI, the Internet of Things, IoT, and the 5G network to cloud computing, big data, and analytics. Technology has the ability to change everything, redefining the world's future. All automotive companies are actively testing autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars, and Elon Musk's Tesla is refining the technology by making it more secure and sophisticated. Companies that are forward-thinking and innovative appear to seize every opportunity to bring world-changing innovation to reality. Sooner or later, these technologies will be used in business and an individual's life. Number 7. Artificial intelligence. What comes to mind when we talk about AI? Don't worry if nothing happens, we'll let you know. Artificial intelligence is being used in a variety of sectors, including machines, robotics, mobile voice help, and many others. Artificial intelligence is influencing the future in almost every sector and every person on the planet. Big data, robotics, and the Internet of Things have all been propelled forward by AI. For the foreseeable future, it will continue to work as a technology pioneer. Not only that, but business leaders are increasingly incorporating AI into policy and strategy development, as well as future decision-making. AI technology is spreading like a mushroom across the board, from medicine to business to robotics. It has already begun to have an impact on the globe, and businesses are investing in this technology in order to reduce the risk of errors and increase efficiency. Because assertiveness tends to be higher, the inputs provided by systems will become increasingly important in decision-making. According to Statista, there were 2,028 AI enterprises in the United States in 2018, and according to recent trends and numbers, the number of AI startups could reach 9,000 by 2030. Number 6. The growth rate of self-driving cars can reach up to 20 to 30% by 2030. You probably think of Tesla when we talk about self-driving cars, right? This isn't, however, the only self-driving car firm in the United States. In the United States, self-driving vehicles have advanced to a point where considerable work is still being done on new traffic rules and other precautions. In the United States, about 1,500 self-driving cars are currently on the road. People are being forced to change their driving habits as the price of gasoline and diesel rises unexpectedly. On the other hand, the number of road accidents is rising. Hence, by keeping these factors in mind, we're confident that electric cars, hybrids, hydrogen, and a variety of other fueling options combined with self-driving technology will grow the market by 2030. Last but not the least, the technology promises increased safety while also reducing pollutants. According to experts in India, self-driving cars would acquire up to 5 to 10% of the global car market by 2030, according to the research. Number 5. Advanced robotics in making. Artificial intelligence, machine vision, sensors, motors, hydraulics, and materials advancements will alter how products and services are delivered. A rise in IT talent will be required to design, operate, and maintain advanced robotics. Currently, a robot named Sophia is the most advanced humanoid robot ever created, and the Saudi Arabian government has granted Sophia citizenship. Currently, technicians and researchers are working to create a sensation that can be established in robots, allowing them to feel human emotions and understand a person's needs. Many restaurants and businesses in the United States employ robots, but by 2030, robots will be more intelligent and widely used in industries. Tata Motors, for example, uses machine robots in its automobile manufacturing facilities. According to Oxford Economics, robots could replace up to 20 million manufacturing jobs globally by 2030. Number 4. At least 10% of people will wear smart clothes by 2024. Is it true that so much will change in the next 5 years? Within that time, time, experts predict that at least 10% of the world's population will be wearing garments with a chip. This chip can be used to transfer a wide range of data over the internet, and you can use it. Tommy Hilfiger, an American clothing manufacturer, has developed a new range of apparel with smart Bluetooth chips that connect to a Tommy Hilfiger mobile app and game, allowing users to earn reward points as they move between different locations. When you put the cloth on, it connects to an app, which encourages you to exercise, play, and do other things in order to attain reward points. Number 3. Space travel can become a reality. Space tourism is becoming a possibility because of rapid technological advancements. We will be able to go to space in the not-too-distant future. Many firms are working on suborbital tourist vehicles today, including Blue Origin, SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, and others. Though human space exploration is just getting started, the opportunities it provides the world will decide its maturity for future generations. However, because humans have already chosen the shuttle as a route to transit to space, several firms are redesigning space elevators. In 2018, a group of researchers from Shizuoka University in Japan stated that they would conduct an experiment aboard the International Space Station. According to certain reports, a few businesses may test the first tourist vehicle by 2030, and the first formal space travel would be available by 2050. Number 2. Cloud computing. This technology can be characterized as the provision of online storage, access, and consumption of computing resources. Private, public, or hybrid clouds are available. 70% of American businesses are already using the cloud, and more are anticipated to follow suit. Cloud computing helped milk producers such as Amul, Brewster, Chaitil Dairy, and others boost their output and the well-being of their employees. The company records all data on the health of its cows using RFID, radio frequency identification labels, and after evaluating it, sends information to personnel, telling them to change a cow's feed as needed, as well as administer medicine or inject a vaccination if required. By 2030, cloud computing will be so widespread that it will be hard to remember a time when it didn't exist. Currently, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud Platform are majorly dominating the market in the cloud computing sector. Number 1. Augmented reality smart glasses. The use of augmented reality AR, Microsoft HoloLens, and Google Glass are two examples of smart spectacle. Smart glasses blend the virtual and physical worlds. You don't need to examine the details on your phone. Instead, you may use your smart glasses to do so. Smart glasses are an innovative new type of media device. They cover simple products having only one prism like Google Glass, as well as more complicated ones like Microsoft's HoloLens. Smart glasses can be thought of as the next iteration of the iPhone. According to the newest estimate, the market for these glasses will begin to grow in 2025, peaking in 2030. Early market information is essential due to the novelty and great potential of augmented reality smart glasses. Many countries have begun to enact legislation for these eyewear devices, believing that they may infringe on an individual's privacy, because wearing these spectacles in public may jeopardize one's privacy. To summarize, understanding this technology will necessitate a significant amount of interdisciplinary research. According to ID Tech X, the augmented, virtual, and mixed reality optics and display businesses would be worth over $28 billion by 2030. Because all of these technologies are still in their infancy, even if artificial intelligence has been accepted by the majority of businesses, there is still a lot of room for improvement. We can't say that the technologies we've mentioned are flawless right now. What if a hacker gains access to the software system of a self-driving car? Despite this, we do not have a foolproof defense. Brands, on the other hand, are attempting to solve the problem, and it gives us great pleasure to inform you that many entrepreneurs, particularly in the R&D sector, collaborate with these giants to assist them in their innovation efforts. Big corporations love to invest in startups because they believe that whatever emerges from them will be beneficial to them. Eventually, we can claim that these technologies are maturing in 2021 and that we will witness the final polished version of these technologies in the future years. Which one out of these do you think will outrage the world, and which one did you find the hardest to accomplish? Tell us some of the upcoming techs we didn't mention in our list. Tell us all this and give your suggestions in the comment section down below. Do share this video with your friends and give this video a big thumbs up.